No mindless debates, no manipulated stories, and no taking sides. We pick stories that the mainstream media does not. The current state of things picks that one story for the week that really matters. Find out the story behind the story in the current state of things with me, Vikram Pratap Singh, every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Hello and welcome. The Bombay High Court recently passed a judgment where a man accused of luring a 12-year-old to his house on the pretext of giving her a guava and pressing her breasts and removing her salwar was acquitted under the POSCO Act and convicted him under a lesser offence. Let us see Section 7 of the Act. Whoever with sexual intent touches the vagina, penis, anus, or breast of the child, or makes the child touch the vagina, penis, anus, or breast of such person, or any other person, or does any other act with sexual intent. The judge argued since the girl had her clothes on and there was no skin-to-skin contact, this would not constitute a sexual assault. However, the Supreme Court has stayed the order, but this raises a very alarming question. Are our children safe? Let us look at some numbers. As reported by National Crime Records Bureau, the total number of child pornography, rape and gang rape complaints lodged in the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal from 1st March 2020 to 18th August 2020 is 13,244. As reported by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, information of 420 cases of child sexual abuse has been received by NCPCR from 1st March 2020 till 31st August 2020 via online portals, helplines and other media. As reported by Childline India Foundation, 3,941 calls have been received by CIF regarding child sexual cases from 1st March 2020 to 15th September 2020. According to a report by Law School Privacy Review, the pandemic saw a rise in child abuse case. In the first week of April, the government helpline Childline 1098 received more than 92,000 SOS calls reporting child abuse and violence at home. To provide some context to the situation prevailing before COVID-19 with regards to the child sexual abuse, the Crime in India 2018 report prepared by the National Crime Records Bureau states that 40,810 children fell victim to sexual offences, and in 95% cases, the perpetrators were known to the victim. That is either a family member or a friend or a neighbour. However, these numbers are only the tip of the iceberg, as maximum cases go unregistered because the perpetrator tries to manipulate the trust of the child and hide the abuse. Despite laws protecting children from sexual abuse, 109 children every day in 2018 had to face this sinister crime, according to reports. Who is really to blame for the situation? Why can't we protect our children? With so much happening, the Bombay High Court decision has only added to our worries as citizens of this country. Pressing a child's breast or any other body part with sexual intent, whether the child has her clothes on or not, is a crime and must be dealt with severely. I leave you with a question, and you must have heard it quite often. Are our children safe? And whose responsibility is it? Bye for now.